Welcome to LVTOPSUN's smart production base, where automation drives excellence. Our production line boasts an impressive 80% automation rate, redefining efficiency in energy storage battery manufacturing. Automation powers every key step: smart cell sorting, precision cleaning, and laser welding for flawless joints. AGVs handle seamless transfer, while robotic arms ensure consistent quality across batches. Our full process traceability system enables data visualization and shared, trackable production data. Every detail is accountable. Over 300 capacity testing stations with high-precision grading cabinets conduct 100% capacity testing. From smart transfer and precise assembly to rigorous testing and full traceability, LVTOPSUN's automated workshop unites speed, precision, and transparency. For reliable energy storage batteries, choose LVTOPSUN, powered by automation and trust.